Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is for ninth grade. And the class for today is a listening class. So we are gonna have a listening class, and don't forget, is if you don't understand the listening class, what you can do is reward a game and then listen again, and so on. Remember something very important. This is what I noticed from all of you. And when you spoke to me and when I listened to you, some of you, of course, it's mandatory in this moment that you be very conscious what you need to do in the listening class. Listening, of course, it's a skill, it's an ability that is going to be improved all the times. But basically, it is very important for you to understand how important is it. I mean, if you don't listen in your hour in your house 2 hours every day, it will be complicated for you to speak English or to get better at your pronunciation. So keep in mind that if you want to learn English, you need to listen a lot English. Not necessarily, I mean, listening records, I mean, audios in English. Of course, it's possible, but you can watch films, you can watch series and Netflix, and you also can go to YouTube and watch and see and sing songs in English. So that's what I want you to do it in this moment. So according to that, let's go to the class today. Remember that. So let's start with something very simple that I want you to do it. It is about the song that you must have to listen. I mean, I recommend that if you really want to learn English, what you need to definitely need to do is um, just to learn music. I mean, learn music, sounds. It give you the chance to improve your English. So let's see. Let's practice. Let's check it out. This. Let's see. All right. Go. Come on. Let's listen this. So, buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. So, my idea in this case is that you try to memorize the sounds. Buddy, you're a boy. So, you close your eyes and then you say, buddy, you're a boy. Buddy, you're a boy. Make a big noise. And then you say, buddy, you're a boy. Make a big noise. Buddy, you're a boy. Making a big noise. And then so on. Playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. Gonna be a big man someday. Gonna be a big man someday. So, buddy, you're a boy making a big noise, playing in the street. Gonna be man someday. So, in order to pronounce this, what you need to do is definitely to listen it. Kicker can all over the place. All right, but that is what you need to do in your house is just to listen and memorize music. And this listening, and then you are increasing your audio memory, and then you can pronounce correctly. So let's go now to the class today. So today we're gonna have class, and the class is a listening class. So we are gonna do the exercise 1, 2, and 3 three exercises, definitely three exercises. This class, I mean, this vocabulary class we're gonna study, but not today. I mean, not we're gonna have a special class to study vocabulary class and do some exercises and so on, but not the moment. So today we're gonna do. So this is an idea. This is an suggestion that you need to keep in mind if you want to understand when you are listening. So anticipating information. This so keep in mind this is a subject. I mean an idea to you to understand when you are listening. When you are listening, attend to the parts of the test that are relevant to the identified purpose, such as numbers, names, and explanations. You listen carefully for what the for what that information gain a better understanding. So you can understand, you can have an idea just watching the videos, just watching the names, and then you say, okay, the listening is going to talk about this and this, because you hear something clearly. So activity one, working group and pairs, look at the poster and discuss what issues you should think the conference will cover. So this is gonna be a conference, environment conference, working for our planet. So with this, imagine you can understand about the listening. I mean, you can have an idea what is the listening talks about. For example, I can imagine that this is gonna be about the jungle of the Amazon, or perhaps and how some people how some people destroy the natural resource in Amazonas. Perhaps I'm not sure because I didn't have the listening activity now. So activity two, oh my God, what's going on? Activity two, listen to the presentation and critique. So let me see. So listen to the presentation mark in the summary of the problem. Big business are enemy of the planet. So you need it's just to take if it's correct or not. If mention it in the listening skill. Okay. So let's practice. Okay. So you need to listen. I'm gonna read for you very quickly at the beginning. So one is quickly, and the second is gonna be very slow. So track 33. This is a conversation between Rob and the person from audience. Okay. So Rob, thanks everyone. It's an honor to be here to speak about something I am so passionate about. It, I just got back from the Amazon. In fact, I'm still getting over the fight. I got in at 6 o'clock this morning, so I apologize if I started falling asleep. So I would like to talk about the rainforest. Does anyone know why they are so important? The person of front audience. They provide oxygen. Exactly. The rainforests are Earth lungs. They absorb carbon and dioxide and release oxygen to help make clean, breathable air. If the rainforests disappear, carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere will be increased. And that will be very dangerous for the life on Earth. But there is another reason why tropical rainforests are so important. While they cover just 6% on Earth's land surface, they are home to two-thirds of the living species on the planet. A tropical rainforest has around 1,000 species per square kilometer, comparing to about 100 species in the same area in the North America. So they are a very rich ecosystem, Unfortunately, they're also disappearing very, very fast. Even now, as we sit here, more than 1.5 acres of rainforests are being destroyed every second. That's every second of every minute of every day. In a year, we destroy an area more than twice the size of Florida. If we continue to destroy tropical rainforests like this, they will be disappear by the year 2060. And in the forests, if the forests disappear, over half the planet and the animals species on Earth will also disappear forever. Remember, the nearly half of the medical compounds we use every day come from plants from tropical rainforests. Unless we take actions immediately, many scientists think that our planet will become unhabited for humans. So, what can we do? Well, I know a lot of people think the big business is our enemy, but actually we need to learn to get along with a big corporation and to work with them. We have to get rid out of our ideas and work together with the governments and organizations to save our future. You personally can join us today and help us save the forest before it's too late. If you want to join, you will find the membership form at this stem. Thank you very much for listening to me. So this is a conference and this is the listening one, okay? So listening to, remember, listening to, it's gonna be about a game, okay? So you're gonna listen and then you're going to continue, right? So let me say for you a game and perhaps you can understand very slow. So thanks everyone. It's an honor to be here to speak about something I am passionate about. And just go back from the Amazon. In fact, I'm still getting over the fight. I got at 6 o'clock this morning, so I apologize if I start falling asleep. So I would like to talk about the rainforest. Does anyone know why they are so important? Person from audience. They provide oxygen. But exactly. The rainforests are Earth lungs. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen to help make clean, breathable air. If the rainforest disappear, carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere will be increased, and that will be very dangerous for the life on Earth. But there is another reason why tropical rainforests are so important. While they cover just 60% on Earth's land surface, they are home to two-thirds of the living species on the planet. A tropical rainforest has around 1,000 species per square kilometer, comparing to about 100 species in the same area in North America. So they are a very rich ecosystem. Unfortunately, they are also disappearing very fast. Even now, as we sit here, more than 1.5 acres from rainforests are being destroyed every second. That's every second, every minute, and every day. In a year, we destroy an area more than twice size of Florida. If we continue to destroy tropical rainforests like this, they will disappear by the year 2060. And if the forests disappear, over the habitats and the animals, especially on Earth, will be also destroyed forever. Remember that nearly half of these medical compounds we use